Hi, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Americana patriotic pinwheel wreath. I really liked it. I actually had my old 4th of July wreath die, and so I needed to come up with something new and fun for my porch, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. This Americana Decor Pinwheel Wreath is perfect for the summer holidays. I love decking my house out in all kinds of red, white, and blue patriotic-ness. Yes, I just totally made up that word. Now, I used my Cricut Maker to use this project, but don't worry, I have a PDF version, so if you just want to cut those out by hand, easy, got it all set up for you. For this project, you will need the following. All right, so I have a list of all those materials below because I don't have to read it off because it's a few materials. Once you get all your materials ready, it's time to get started. All right, step one, the very first thing I'm gonna have you do is paint the wreath. We have to have the wreath painted so it can dry, so we can add all the things to it. So just take a minute and paint that wreath any color you want. I opted for gold. Just get that all nice and covered and set it aside so it can dry. All right, step two to the Americana Decor DIY Pinwheel Wreath tutorial is we need to cut out all of those elements using that free template that I provided on FleeceFun.com. Using the rotary blade, cut out the fabric. If you are using the PDF pattern, from each color of felt, cut out 1 pinwheel of each size, 3 stars, 1 large circle, 2 medium circles, and 2 small circles. If you're adding the heat transfer vinyl to your wreath, now's the time to switch out to your fine point blade and cut it out. Weed the HTV and set it aside. All right, now that you have all those elements, it's time to start to put stuff together. Step 3, add the HTV if desired. To add interest to the patriotic pinwheels, add the different HTV patterns to them. Line up the pattern with the felt and use the EasyPress to adhere it to the fabric. For the triangle bunting, add the white triangles to the bunting first. Next, add the gold lettering. Be sure to use baking parchment when layering the vinyl to protect your EasyPress. Step 4. Assemble the pinwheels. You can either use 1 or 2 pentagons to make an Americana pinwheel. For a patriotic pinwheel made with 2 pentagons, do the following. Line up the 2 pentagons and place them right on top of each other, right sides facing out. The side you want to be the interior facing up towards you. Then glue the centers together. Just a dot or 2 of glue in the middle will work. Next, place a dot of glue between the 2 fabrics at the point of the long side of the triangle. That's the smallest angle. Repeat 5 times around the pentagon. Once that's all glued, it's time to glue it to the center. Now, if you're doing a large pinwheel, I like to place a circle in the center just because I think it adds a little nice pop of color, totally up to you. Then you're gonna take each of those points that you just glued and fold them in towards the center and glue them to the center. This will make the pinwheel shape. By the way, if you just want to make a pinwheel that is not double layered, all you do is just glue those points into the center. Next, glue a circle and a star to the center if desired. And how you want to design those pinwheels is completely up to you. I kind of like the double layered look, and I kind of like how stiff it made the pinwheels, but up to you. You can also do it as a single layer. Step 5, bring all the Americana decor together. I strongly recommend laying out the Americana Decor DIY wreath completely before you start to glue anything down. Lay it out, try a few different arrangements. Once you've settled on one, snap a picture of it with your phone and refer to it as you glue it down. For the bunting, glue the triangles along the ribbon or pom-poms. Glue the rest of the patriotic pinwheels down. Wrap the ribbon around the back and use a small felt circle to finish the ribbon off nicely. This also makes a nice buffer between the door and your wreath. You now just completed the Americana Decor DIY Patriotic Pinwheel Wreath. Good job! Also be sure to hit that like button for my hard work here and subscribe for more great tutorials just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to grab that free file. I have a link available at the end of the video. All right, that's it. You have this really cute wreath. I have my wreath right here. Really love how it turned out. It's so cute, you guys. Really love how it turned out. Turned out really cute. So you have to let me know in the comments below, do you like to decorate for the 4th of July? I kind of like to go all out. I've got flags and bunting and my new wreath. Let me know.